وما من دابة في الأرض إلا على الله رزقها ويعلم مستقرها ومستودعها كل في كتاب مبين.
और जमीन पर चलने फिरने वाला जो जानदार है उसका रिज्क अल्लाह के जिम्मे करम पर है। वो जानता है उसके रहने की जगह को और उसके अमानत रखे जाने की जगह को। ये सब कुछ वाज़े किताब में लिखा हुआ है।
वमा मिन दाब्बतिन फिल अर्दि इल्ला अलल्लाहि रिज़्क़ुहा, and there is no creature on the whole of the earth but upon Allah rests its sustenance. This is very important for those who want to serve the deen of Allah. They shouldn't fear where from they will eat, how will they be able to support themselves and their family. The risk, and the providence and provisions and sustenance of this life, that is guaranteed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَمَا مِن دَابَّةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَّا عَلَى اللَّهِ رِزْقُهَا. Allah takes the responsibility upon him. Don't fear. Only you have to put your trust in him. That is the test. وَيَعْلَمُ مُسْتَقَرَّهَا وَمُسْتَوْدَعَهَا. Allah knows its place of abode as well as the place of repository. We had these words in Surah Al-An'am perhaps, or Araf, An'am I think. And there I discussed. There are 3 views about it. Mustaqar is permanent abode. So mostly people think Mustaqar is Akhirah because that is going to be the permanent abode. Mustawda is somewhere you keep something for some time. So this worldly life is Mustawda. But there is another view, although it's not held by so many, that Mustaqar for us is dunya, for this time, presently. But Mustawda was the wombs of the mothers. We remained there for 9 months. وَيَعْلَمُ مُسْتَقَرَّهَا وَمُسْتَوْدَعَهَا كُلٌّ فِي كِتَابٍ مُبِينٍ. And everything is recorded in a book which is manifest and very clear.